Hi everyone, I have another video with this microwave transformer from here. Actually my cables are like this, but not that is the topic of this video. Actually I will power this microwave transformer and this lamp with this amplifier. You probably know it from my past videos. Here is the power coming to it. Here are the outputs from it, and here is the microwave transformer wired to it. Actually I tried it before, and this combination can power up this fluorescent lamp, but actually I really want to show you this and how it works and at what voltage it will power up. For this is actually another thing to test for. I didn't test this yet, but actually you can see here my contacts are are really bad. But yeah, actually I hope this will work. For in this part my wire is not touching anything from this lamp, and this is a problem. um but I will try to. Okay, now it is touching in this part, but I'm pretty sure. No, not yet. Actually, I'm not using any kind of connector designed for this sheet, and I will just use cables like this. Okay, now everything is prepared, as you can see here. I hope this will works as I tried before. Now I will use 60 hertz from my PC, and that's the thing. But actually the volume is set to maximum. Wow, actually these lamps draw that much power. This multimeter from here can't measure it, or probably one of these connectors don't make the needed contact for it. Oh no, it works. Actually I have here this voltage, and I will slowly increase it to see when this will power on. Okay, you can see the voltage, and it powered on, and now it draws all my voltage. And if I will drop it slowly, as you can see, the brightness slowly began to drop, and I'm really curious about. Okay, now it's shutting down, and it shuts down around 100 volts. Actually it can't start at this small voltage without a starter, but actually this is designed for 222 volts and 50 hertz, but I'm using at 60. Normally we need to use something like this, but yeah, I will don't use it. I will just power this on directly on this microwave transformer. Actually, I tried this before, but with microwave transformer plugged directly to socket, and as you can see here, I burnt a little bit of this tube, but the filaments I think are okay. But yeah, it actually starts at around 200 volts, something like this. Actually, okay, it starts at 222 20 volts, 220 volts, something like this. But as you can see here, probably there isn't enough power for this lamp. So oh my gosh, how good is the quality on this camera. Actually I like this camera for in real life my eyes can't make a difference between oh my gosh, between this part of the tube or this part. Actually this black part of it, it's now more visible, but not this is the thing. Actually it flickers a little bit for is not giving to this lamp the power it needs to work normally, but it works, and my camera, it's synchronized with 60 frames from camera with 60 hertz from this, so you don't see any flicker. But actually, as you can see here in this position, here is the gas ignited. Here in this tube, an arc created in with the gas inside, and here is the filament. And as you can see here, if I, oh, actually I disconnected it. I think I disconnected it, or I blown this. Oh, I disconnected it. Actually, in this part I have the actual filament, but I don't know how to. Oops, again. And it's better if I will just take my multimeter away from this. Oh, I can see it's sparking here, but I don't want to touch this wire directly with my hand. This happens to a normal voltage, I think. I don't know why there is a fly, but yeah. I'm really curious about how big is volume. Yeah, it's a normal usage for it at a normal voltage, but I don't know. I'm not sure why these sparks are so big. And here my question goes. Actually, this lamp can ignite without this coil. Okay, I will stop it to just connect this shit. I don't recommend to you to copy my things you saw in my videos, for can harm yourself. For these are not the mostly safe things you can see on internet. Okay, and here you go. I'm trying to film the actual filament for if you can see. Okay, now it is visible. Here I have a little bit of orange for this is the actual filament starting glowing up and heating up. For this lamp will heat up. But now if I will increase the actual voltage, the flicker became less, but actually the lights starting become more powerful. Actually, now I will try to just boost the volume from my amp directly on it to see how it happens, and nothing. Actually, one risky thing is now I'm in home, and okay, this filament from here also heated up. Oh my gosh, why for a moment the entire tube go. Oh my gosh, that's probably the arc going inside. I don't want to blow this tube, for I'm in home, and if this blows, the actual gases from it will came into my air, and this is not good for my health. It can give to me cancer or something like this, and I don't want to make glass into my entire home. But yeah, as you can see here, this lights up and creates these sheets. Actually, another thing, another risky thing for me is that I'm oh, probably that is just the arc, the electric arc, for it's the voltage too high for it, I think. And probably this is just an arc, electric arc, inside of this tube, and probably something with magnetic field for actually you can see this wire from here, and it's not clearly it's not safe for me to do this. Actually, my transformer is a little bit warmed, but this is not a problem for me now, and my cable actually is connected. But as you can see here, if the voltage is increased Okay, it actually started to heat up. It's a little bit warm this too, but yeah. So actually, if my volume is set to 30, this will power up, and I'm really curious to see if this effect, if white and orange is visible at the normal usage. Yeah, actually it's a little bit visible. So yeah, probably this is just an arc thing, but I'm not sure for in the left part, the actual tube looks like it's cracking or something. Okay, I will increase the frequency. Now the frequency is increased, and as you can see, I modified the frequency. The lamp started flickering, and now I'm using 30 hertz. It can go down to 10 hertz before it turning on off, and this is the normal usage for it. The normal frequency, but I will use. Oh my gosh, I love this effect here, for it's almost synced with this 60 frames, and I will just increase the voltage, the volume actually for me, and the voltage for the tube. And actually I will try to change the actual frequency, and now I'm away from the mic, so if you are hearing me incorrectly, yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm now using 61 hertz, 60, and now 59. As you can see, at 59 hertz it's almost synced, but these orange lines are going down. At 60 it actually slowly rotates and slowly goes up, and at 61 it goes up more quick. So I'll choose to use 60 actually. And one thing I want to do with this sheet is to see if it actually can heat up with this transformer, but yeah, not in this video. um, yeah, if you like this video, comment, like, share and subscribe, and see you next time with another things I will do. And actually here I have the specs from the tube. Actually these things this thing works, and it's impressive. From all this goes from this amp, and it's not that hot to touch. Actually in this part is warm, and in this part is warm. Actually it heats up a lot when I'm using this, and probably this is for not the full power from the transformer, using the primary and something like this. Actually, one thing I'm really curious about it is to see if I can start this lamp using some music. I will use. Okay, it can glow with music. And that is just music. It's up tempo. Okay. See you next time. Bye.